Hello guys, I'll show you something new with something new Windows get media player Windows in available for Windows based device use is uh, able to find right version of player for your system. If you go Mac, you can download Windows Media's components for quick time to play and including in clean installs of Windows 10 as well, upgrades Windows 10, Windows 8.1, Windows 7, some else Windows 10 included an optional feature that you can enable including in Windows 8.1 and Windows 8.1 Pro, but does not include DVD playback. Uh, go the page, find out add DVD player Windows 8.1 media player as if you reinstall Windows Media Player, try to the following, click start button, type features and select turn Windows एक मिनट वीडियो बनती भी है कॉपी होता है turn Windows on or off, scroll down and expand media feature, clear the Windows checkbox and click OK. Restart your device. Windows should be uninstalled. Repeat setup 1. Scroll down and expand. Select Windows and checkbox and click OK. Restart your device. uh, Windows should be reinstalled to be troubleshoot issues like playback code problems. See the get help selection media you are invited to try Microsoft for free. Okay, restart your device. Windows Media Player should be uninstalled. Repeat setup 1, scroll down and expand media feature. Select Windows Media Players and checkbox is okay. How to enable go and go the setting. So window is available from Windows based device. Use the table of find the right version of this types box and player for your system. If you have got Mac, you can download Windows comparison for quick time to play Windows. Which one version is Windows? I'm running operating the player version. How to get system browser is included in clean install and Windows 10 as well as upgrade to Windows 10 from Windows 8.1. So feature that you can enable to that, select Windows button and select setting apps and features made optional features, add Windows Media Player and select enable to Windows DVD playback. Instead include, go to the DVD player for page to find out how did add playback to Windows 10 and more than medias. So this is our drag and drop and so get the AID and GitHub media player in build the product. So VIDEO so best of turning Gompler and Gompler is the best is for. I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you for watching.